Hey, welcome to Viking Preparedness. I am PJ and this is
SK.
Hey, do you have a channel too, don't you?
Yes, I do.
What's your channel?
Sister Kate, Shofar Mountain.
There you go. You'll probably see more on what we're going to talk about today on her channel later. So we have this box. Do you know what's in this box?
I do.
Oh, she does. We're excited to open it live for you. So I guess without further ado, it's heavy too.
It's very heavy.
Do you like what's in this box?
I like this very much, yes.
Do you have one of what's in this box already?
I have a thing. It is a thing just like this thing. It is a very useful thing. You want to have one.
Because 2 is 1 and 1 is
0.
All right, so waka! This is a knife put out by Shield Knife and Tool. It's called the Bob.
Shield knife and tool.
Yes, good people there. I've been playing with it. I'm not ready to do a review on it yet. All right, there we go. Oh, we're so excited.
So excited.
It says fragile glass, handle with care.
That's right. It's fragile. You have to be careful with it.
All right, boom. Oh, it's very shiny. Should I show them?
Sure, show them the shininess. Shiny.
Oh, can you tell that shiny? Yes, you can. What could this possibly be?
What could it be?
I think I'll lift it out.
I wonder. Yeah, you probably should. Do you want me to hold the box?
I don't know. Yeah.
Either one's better.
All right, I know, I'm not going fast. The people want me to go fast.
It's awkward.
It is a little awkward. Until it's out, then it's not that awkward.
Right.
You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna flip this over
Oh.
this way.
Oh. What? Using the weight of the object with gravity to help you get it out of the box? So smart.
This is not going as smoothly as I thought it would.
There, that'll.
Yeah,
All right.
All right, there we go. All right, ta-da!
Yay! It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a...
What the heck is this thing? Now, let's show it. That looked awkward getting out. Let me just, can you switch places? Has a handle right
Handle.
here. I snapped it down, so we're good. So you can carry it like this to where you want to go. And it is, of course, the all-American Sun Oven.
Son of it.
What the heck is this thing?
It is a solar cooker. It is, you have to unsnap this dude right
Allow
here.
me.
Yep. And then these are the panels.
I'm going to move this camera like this. I think that's a better view. Let me lift up. All right, go ahead,
There you
show
go.
them.
This is the metal panels that fold out to collect the sunlight and bounce it inside the oven.
You got to look at the camera when you're talking. You do.
The metal panels bounce the sun around inside the sun oven.
So let's fold this up
Right.
a little
Fold
bit.
this up. It has a glass cover right here that you have to be careful because it's not a sharp edge, but it is glass, so you have to be very
Oh,
careful.
this one's different than the one we already have. This got like this little locky thing on here. Oh, right here. How does this come up? And let go. How do we?
You have to clear.
There we
you have to clear the panels.
All right. This
Okay.
isn't here.
Right, that's styrofoam.
Look
to
at all the
protect it.
goodies we have in here.
Oh, there are goodies in here.
We'll go over these goodies in another video because this is like an extra enhanced kit. It comes with pans and parchment paper and I don't even know what these cookies are. Cloudy Day Cube Stove, Fuel Disc Fire Starter. Oh, they gave us a little, like a Sterno stove. And
Nice.
these came in it. Cool.
It's going to come with, and you will use black enamelware pots to cook things inside the stove. And the stove also has some kind of rack that you suspend
That's in there.
so that the pot sits in the middle of the stove, not on the bottom.
How do you know?
I've used one of these before. They're very, very useful for baking. And it has to be a sunny day. It can be in the middle of winter, but as long as it's sunny, you can still bake things.
And it's not sunny today,
Right.
so we can't show you today.
There is a thermometer right inside here that will tell you the temperature inside the stove. And the lining of the stove is a kind of hard black plastic. So it can get up to 350, 400 degrees in here. You can bake a roast.
What have you baked?
I have baked cookies. I have videos on this on my channel if you're curious. I have baked cookies in these. I've baked bread.
We baked chicken.
I've baked chicken. I've made a roast in here. I've made a cake in here. It's basically like your normal conventional oven, only it's solar powered. So you can take it anywhere with you and use it anywhere as long as there's
sun, which
sunlight.
there isn't today, so we're not going to show you that today. We'll show you maybe in another video. It has a leg in the back so you can adjust the angle. It has a little aimer right here so you know the perfect. Can you hear my dogs?
They're
so like, what are you
upset
doing?
that they're not with us. And he sent a cover. There's a cover in here. I'm sure that's going to go over top of this to keep it protected when you have it folded up and you're not using it.
Because our original one, can you close that in? Push it in.
You're caught on the corner.
Our original one didn't come with a cover. So the original one we have, and it just sits there and it gets dust on it. This lovely cover. Oh, well, I just closed it up. We'll show that in another video too. Anyway, I just did a video on Patreon talking about how electricity could go away or be significantly rationed based on some things that are happening. And I was giving people ideas for ways to deal with that.
Right.
And one of those ways is, how are you going to cook when there's no electricity coming into your house? Because you know the sock puppet already took away our gas stoves. Okay, he hasn't yet, but this will cook anytime, anywhere there's sun.
Right.
And
Perfect
we've done
alternative.
it. We've done it ourselves, and the reason we have two now is because it was getting to the point where we wanted more stuff to be able to cook sometimes, so we wanted two going. The other reason being what I said earlier: one is none, and two is one.
That's right.
So the Sun Oven, the All-American Sun Oven. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. Now, believe me or not, but it's the truth. When I feature things like this, they end up selling out.
All gone.
So if you want one, and they're not cheap.
No.
Don't.
But they're worth every penny.
Are you just saying that?
I am absolutely not saying it. These are off-grid, homestead tested, SK and PJ recommended.
Approved.
You know, we don't, at least I don't do this at all, ever, hardly ever. This is a very good stove and it's worth what you pay for.
So
it
what I'm
and
telling
to
you
take
is,
care of it.
if you want one, go to the link, and I suggest you get on it. That's all I'm going to say. You know, it is a sales technique, implied scarcity, but in my case, it's reality. I just did an advertisement for Refuge Medical Surgical Bucket. They sold out of them.
Sold out of the surgical bucket.
So there you go. The All-American Sun Oven. It is a great way to cook if you're off-grid, or you're going camping, or you're going to the beach, or the power goes out for an extended period of time.
Take it basically anywhere.
You can also boil water in it.
Yes, you can have water in containers in there and it will heat it up for you for washing your hands, washing your dishes, whatever you need hot water for. This thing will do that for you as well.
For free. All right, I appreciate y'all. There'll be more later. Like I said, I'll put a link down below. I will see you out there, and
Shalom.